out the one and only Philly Dom. About to hit this nightclub right here. Boom. You ever in Zona Rosa, San Salvador El Salvador. This is where you want to go. It's a nice little spot. Safe, cool vibes. This is where you want to go. This is where you want to come. Trust me. Trust me. So guys, I'm your boy Philly Dom leaving out the spot. I'm done for the night. Go get some Denny's and go to sleep. Welcome to the real streets of El Salvador after dark. But we ain't in Zona Rosa. Safe neighborhood, San Benito area. You don't have nothing to worry about. They still hanging out. I'm out of here. Gonna get some food to eat. And I'm staying at D apartment. So she's gonna come get me. Pardon me, her house. Not apartment. There's a difference. She don't like to hang out late. She be weird on some stuff, but she good. She good. She's good money. She's good people. So that's it for now. It's not that late. It's late, but it's not that late. It might be late because the one band is closing up. They're leaving. So I'm about to go on the main street here. This is good to let you see San Salvador after dark. It's the vibe. You don't see nobody walking around because everybody hanging out. Let's pass right through here real quick. Zona Rosa is like one of the safest neighborhoods you can stay in. Hands down. No questions asked.
Amigo.
Amigo. Amigo. Oh man. Trying to make it to this Denny's. This is where I meet D at. Cross the street real quick. As you can see, it's a cool vibe right here. Everything's good, guys. The Philly Dom hat right here. Hit me up via Instagram. Connect with me. And I'll get you a Philly Dom hat. Salvador after dark. I think we got like 2 blocks to Denny's. Denny's is like a club, yo. Every pack, yo. It's a real vibe there. That's the casino right there. If you're into gambling, you're gonna go over there. El Salvador got everything you want on the low. They got everything you want. It's just not as abundant as like the Dominican Republic Colombia, Brazil, Mexico. So just everything you want is right here. It's one of their malls right here. I'll let you see the name in a second. This mall is recent. It's not even been open that long. I was like one of the first people to record here, you know. I'm not even like talking trash. I'm speaking from the heart. Let me show you. It's a nice little, the Bamboo Center. That's it right here. Nice little situation. Nice little situation. It's called the Bamboo Center, like you see right here. Boom. Bamboo. Center. All right, we like a block away from the Denny's. Denny's be acting up, man. They play good music. It's a good vibe. It's cool vibe, yo. I ain't gonna lie to you. This street we on right here got a bunch of clubs. And they go late into the night. Like I said, I left early, so you don't see nobody leaving. Because our Salvadorans, they hang out to the last minute. The Denny should have some people. We're going to find out. We about to find out. About to find out. We're like 20 seconds away. So you guys gotta relax. You gotta relax. If you look to your left, right over there, a bunch of people hanging out. I told you. Let me walk over this way. We're going to the Denny's right there. But just let you see what's going on. This is raw uncut footage. You're not going to get this from the average dude. Huh? Oh. Gracias. They all hanging out. Oh, almost lost my leg right there. The Denny's right here. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, support the Philly Don movement. Greatly appreciate that from the bottom of my YouTube heart. It's still not that crowded yet. That's it. Not even crowded yet. I want to get a seat.
Dude.
Those personas, but my man.
Hola, man.
Shit. I'll just. Anyway.